tabletop iPhone camera mount. It's so easy, under $100. Let me show you how. My name is Jersey. Let's get started. Here's the material list that we are going to use today. You need 3 half-inch black iron nipples, 30 inches long. You can do what length that you want. This is for 2 for the sides, 1 for the top. You need some kind of alcohol base cleaner. We're going to use Moonshine 4 shots. It's nothing that you drink. You need 1, it's called a number 0 conduit hanger. Sorry for the typo. You need a can of flat black spray paint. You can use whatever you want. I'm gonna check out Bear, never used the spray paint before. You need 2 half-inch black iron, 90-degree elbows. I'm going with the square look this time. I've never used the square, I've always used round. This is optional. It's Husky LED lights and it has magnets that it will attach to this. And it has 800 lumens. And you need 2 half-inch black iron flanges. Again, I'm going with the square look. We usually always do the round. 1 RAM mount phone holder. We got this out of the blogging room ceiling because I'm going to be using this to use on my iPhone, and it's going to be portable. And that's the material list. I'm going to go ahead and take the alcohol, wipe down all the iron, every single one of these, and then I'm going to go spray paint it, let it dry, half hour, and then I'll be back. And this is the tracking system. If you watch my other video, I'll leave it up there and down below, how we did it a few years back. We mounted these in the ceiling in my blogging room. And you could take a camera or the phone and it would slide back and forth. But for this portable camera mount, we do not have to use this. Just dried laid it before we're gonna go paint it. And this is what I was afraid of. I don't know if you can see that. You just touch it and it rocks. So we're gonna go ahead and spray paint it. We're gonna get like a 1x4 and I'm gonna stain it to make it look nice. And we're gonna mount it so it will actually act like a leg. So I just wanted to show you that before we painted. I didn't know if we had to do it or not. Absolutely. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So we're gonna fix it all up, get it painted, and then I'll be back. Even though these have magnets on them, I am not happy with the way they sit. Since this isn't a flat piece, see how it moves? So we have extra of these in the bag. Once we put them tight, it's a lot more stable and I'll be able to slide it. I'm not happy with that because it's not flat. So that's another thing that we're gonna do, and when it gets all done, we'll do a recap. And here we are, it's completed. I'm going to show you easily how it is to install the iPhone in the RAM mount holder. I'm gonna reach around back so my hand's not in the way. I put the camera up. When I'm sitting down, I can view what I'm filming. And you make sure that the arms are not over the buttons. Just reach in there and clip it. This will rotate, loosen it up, rotate any angle you want. Same thing with this, you can rotate it. I find it easier to rotate the bottom part. I usually always will leave this way. And these are the lights. I suggest taking them down and then angling them. You only have a little bit of magnet and you make sure that they're spot on like that. And as you see, before I was in the before video, now we have these painted and there's more to adhere to versus that. And then the legs, the extended legs, really make it sturdy. You can put a piece of felt, wool, whatever, I don't care. Everything I own is very old, so it doesn't bother me. Everything here was about $85 before tax, which was not bad. And it's light enough that I can pick it up and go put it into my office when I'm not using it. And it's wide enough that it gives you a good base that it will be strong. Ray's going to show you how easy it is to take it apart, put it into a basket, and reassemble this whole thing within minutes. We're gonna leave the camera mount on the main top bar. And this is how easy the legs just turn right off. Now this would be good if you hardly film, if you live in an apartment and don't have storage. I'm gonna leave it fully assembled all the time and put it into my office because I have plenty of room. Now we're going to assemble it. And to note, these are 3/4 inch screws. And this is the time where you could glue a piece of felt or wool on the back. And you can put the legs horizontally or vertically, wherever you may need, or you might need to put one of each, all depends where it's being placed. Well, I hope you liked this video. Hope it will work. If you try it, let me know. I'll leave the link to the RAM mount that I got on Amazon in the link below. Everything else I got from Home Depot, but you could probably get it on Amazon also. And the wood was scrap. The only thing I will say about the burr paint, really liked it, but it took longer to dry, it seemed like, than the Rust-Oleum, and the smell was a lot stronger than the Rust-Oleum. That's all I'm thinking. But just wanted to give you my 2 cents on that. So you can angle this any way you want. If I want to film like I'm filming now, I can use that one. And if I want to use this for a down shot, and that's how that is. Easy as that. And I can use that camera for another shot. I can have this camera for the angle straight on shot, and then the camera I'm holding, I can put into that mount and have a straight down shot, just like I do in my blogging room where I use my Canon cameras. And that's what it looks like from that facing down. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Share on social media. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that bell, all notification. And this is Jersey saying see you on the next video.